everyone, welcome to Lanret Computer Tutorials. This is Lanret Academy. Today I'll be sharing with you how to fill cells or a cell with colors. How to fill a cell or group of cells with colors. Without wasting much of our time, come up here in the command group called fonts. You have this, and this is called the fill color. But before you use the fill color, you must select your cell. So if it is just a single cell, you just click on that cell, then you come up here to fill color, the arrow beside it, then you select the color you want. Immediately you have it applied. So for instance, if I want to fill the title of this table with a color, I can come up here, then I can use my fill color and apply it then with yellow, and you can see that it is being applied to the two cells that I selected. So that's how to fill cells with colors in this environment. If you want to fill more than one cell, all you need to do is select the number of cells you want to fill, then select the color you want to use to fill the cells, and that will be applied immediately. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this is the first time of watching our tutorial, kindly click on the subscribe button, share and like the video so that more people can see this video and it could be of help to them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.